Welcome, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently using PC. You can go ahead and do this one on your mobile device or any other devices. So just basically find more and then click on it. Now click on settings and you'll find account info with the account info tab. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll have your password. So go ahead and click on the pencil icon that says change password. Click on it and enter your current password. Once done, change it to a newer one and retype the new password right here. Once done, just click on update. Wait a bit, and depending on how you set up your computer, a two-step verification code might be required. So just go ahead and enter the code right here, click on verify, and once done, you're good to go. That is how easy it is to change your password on Roblox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.